Victor. Victor. Eating ka. Sit down, anak. Sit down. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Sit down. Do you like the chicken? Do you like the chicken? Oh, si Kuya naman. Hi, Kuya. Davy. Finish your food. Okay. Huwag anak yung food ni Mama yan. Food ni Mama. That's Mama's food. Say hi, Daddy. Where's Daddy now?